Hello everybody, this is just my severe weather little slideshow kind of thing. I'm actually going to try to make one of these every week for just the weather. And then specifically for severe weather coming up soon. So, the first one that I want to talk about is the severe weather for Friday. We do have a slight risk for much of Oklahoma, much of the eastern part of Oklahoma, northwestern Arkansas, and southwestern Missouri. For the marginal risk, much or all of the western half of Missouri is in marginal. Much or all of eastern half of Oklahoma is in the marginal. Same with Kansas. And then parts of northern Texas is in the marginal and also in the slight risk. And also much of South Carolina, 100% of North Carolina, including the Outer Banks, I believe. No, that's actually just general thunder. Parts of Tennessee, parts of northern Alabama, and northern Georgia. The severe threat for Saturday includes a big general thunder risk. I'm not going to talk about that because that's so big. The slight risk for southern South Dakota and northern parts of Nebraska. And then marginal risk for parts of Texas, Oklahoma, all of Nebraska, parts of Kansas, and parts of North Dakota, and parts of South Dakota. Now, if you are in this, I want to break down the watch versus warning. Watch means conditions for the severe weather or the tornadoes. Warning means it's happening or is about to happen, or it is imminent, or means... So if there's a tornado warning, that means there's radar indicated rotation, not necessarily 100% chance of a tornado, just super duper likely. In a tornado warning, you want to go to a basement or an interior structure as far away from windows as you possibly can. Here's the tornado chances for Saturday. I can't really get a day 3 one because they don't put that out. So we got a 5% chance for much of, in fact, maybe all of the very eastern part of Oklahoma and parts of Nebraska. Not Nebraska. Not Nebraska. Northwestern Arkansas and extreme southwestern Missouri. And just 2% chance really surrounding that to support the 5%. And then a 2% chance in generally the same area that we had the other marginal risk, just on the southern side of that. So that does not include the Outer Banks or parts of them, or South Carolina. And it does include some South Carolina, but not all of it. Alabama, Georgia, Tennessee, and some small parts of North Carolina. And one final thing that I want to do, this is including in flooding. Turn around, do not drown. That quote by everyone remotely related to weather. So this is the final thing. Stay safe. If you are in the severe weather threat, I am DC West 0616. Goodbye.